Culture Club is people from all different roles and functions at the Charlotte office in RingCentral, and we all come together to influence the way that the office runs day to day, as well as all the fun ways that we celebrate each other and come together to form greater bonds.
My favorite Culture Club event / activity would be RingCentral Olympics. It's a great time to get different departments to come out, collaborate, do fun activities, and be physical outside of the office. It's pretty cool to watch, and have that during an office hours is really cool to get everybody to participate there.
My favorite activity that we've hosted at Culture Club is the Volunteer Day. We partnered with 4 local nonprofits, and why it was so great, it really gave the opportunity for our employees to select a nonprofit that they felt passionate about and had ties to.
It's a dual approach. Hire the right people, nurture the culture, sustain the culture, but then take that culture and then impact the community that you're in various ways, whether it be food drives or just helping out at a homeless shelter or, donating clothes to the poor. Whatever that looks like, however we can make an impact, show what RingCentral is about outward to the community.